Another topic that we need to visit about in detail is the definition of a monomial. We're going to be using this term quite a bit. This is a review from Algebra 1. We're going to be using it from now on. And I'm going to read it to make sure we get it correct. An algebraic expression that is a number, a variable, or the product of a number and one or more variables is called a monomial. Monomials cannot contain variables in denominators, cannot contain variables with exponents that are negative, and they cannot contain variables under radicals. Okay, let's do some examples. What are they? Let's do something that we know. Monomial. Pi r squared. Everything is implied multiplication, isn't it? Okay? We only have one variable. We know what pi is. We can put a number in there. Okay? So this would be a monomial. It has one variable. Monomial could have more than one variable in there. For instance, we could have ax squared. We could have 10 y x z squared. All of these would be variations of monomials. We could also have negative 6y. You could have 1/3 L. Okay? All of these would be monomials. Okay? There's lots of different ways that we can describe monomials. But these follow the rules of monomials. This is what it is. Now let's go over here and let's describe what it is not. Now it said it could not have a variable that is in the denominator. So let's do that. Be the denominator, that would mean it'd have to have a 1x. Okay, we could put a 4 there or whatever. Cannot have this. Alright? Another thing it said it could not be is it could not be a variable with a negative exponent. So, a to the negative 2. Well, if you know your exponents, what does this equal? 1 over a squared. So that gets back into that rule. Okay, negative exponent, we're going to flip it to the other side. Cannot have addition, subtraction. So we could not have a variable that looks like this, a monomial that looks like this. That's not a monomial. Okay? And then we cannot have a monomial with a variable under a radical. A radical is a square root sign, a cube root sign, whatever else. For instance, if we have something like this, I want the 4th root of y. These are all examples of not. These are not monomials. Okay? You need to get these in your head some way, somehow. Go find another way on the internet. Know the description of them. Whatever you need to do. But get in your head what a monomial is, because we're going to be putting these things in, describing polynomials, which is multiple monomials, binomials, which is going to be what? 2 monomials, trinomials, which is 3 monomials, whoops, quadnomials, I don't even know if that's a word. Okay, but this is monomial. It's what it is, what it is not. Get those written down.